Hello ma'am, I am Charpy Albert Cortez and this is my final activity 6, lesson 28, RFID system. So, first, ito siya i-register. Motor. So, ito itap balik. Tuyok siya. Tapos, mabalik siya. Try tagkaing card. Kani, wala siya na-register. Try na to. Hindi siya mukha. So, ang akong LCD kaya di siya mugana kay baan man daw warning. Di daw siya incompatible siya sa ako ang R4 Arduino. So, this is the code. So, first we have the libraries. The LCD setup. Next, we have the hardware pin definition and objects. Next, we have the variables for logic. Then let's move on to void setup. So this one right here, set the LED as an output. Right here, initialize the LCD, turn on backlight, then this will clear any previous text. Next, we have the SPI begin. We'll start the SPI communication. Then this right here will initialize the RFID reader. Then this right here will display tap the card in the LCD, and this one right here will attach the servo to pin 3 and then set the servo to close position. Next, we have the loop. So this one right here waits for a new RFID card. If no new card is detected, it escapes the rest. Next, we have this one will reads the UID, unique ID, from the RFID card and store it in this one right here. Next, we have the registration mode. This right here. This one will save. This one will save the card UID and prints leading 0 if needed, then it shows in hex. Next, we have the zone right here, marks card as registered. Next, let's move on to here. This will compares the current card with the registered card. And then we have right here this one. This will, if the card matches the registered one, access is allowed. So LED turns on and the server opens and close. this remaining code. So if the card doesn't match, access is denied and a message is shown. Then last one, ends the read process for the current card and adds a delay to avoid immediate rereading. So that's all.